Hi everyone, so I've got a different type of review today, and these are the Viciley lashes. So what's great about these lashes is basically you actually have a grey eyeliner which is actually magnetic, so the lashes stick on. So I thought I would show you with one eye with the eyelashes and one without, just with simple mascara, just so you can see the difference. So I've used the most really finest eyelashes because I like a more of a natural look. But this is the one with, which is quite nice actually. It's a nice little feather finish, and obviously this is just normal, my own eyelashes with, I forgot which mascara, but yeah, there's a really nice subtle difference with them. To be fair, it's actually really nice. And one thing I do like is the fact that they're magnetic. So literally, they're not even hard to take off at all. They just literally pop on, pop straight off. So it's even better. And this is my final look with the lashes.